Hey, it's Mike Today. I want to talk about VG Acquisition Corp. This is the SPAC that trades on the NYSE under the symbol VGAC. It was up over 2.5% on Friday, so it's up to $12 even, giving a nice, return since it came out at a little under $10. So it's giving you a little over 20% return since its inception. I do think that VG Acquisition Corp, which is basically Virgin Group Acquisition Corp, is going to continue to move higher, and that's because I think this is going to be one of those SPACs that's going to make a really good acquisition. If you look at Virgin Group, it's made up of 40 different businesses, and unlike other SPACs, I really think just the Virgin team really knows how to identify businesses that have great potential. So I think whoever they target for a merger, it's going to be a really good business. And because of that, I think you can see a really big pop in the stock whenever they do announce a merger. And because the price is actually pretty reasonable, it's up only 20%. I feel like there's not that much downside risk to this SPAC compared to other SPACs out there. But I will say, because this is a company that's very good in identifying other businesses that it creates, it may take a while to find a merger deal. I think they're going to be very selective, but when they do make that selection, it's going to be a very good one, and it will probably outperform a lot of the other SPACs out there. So I would definitely take a look at acquiring shares of VG. Maybe you want to wait till it has a red day before you acquire some shares, but I do think you're going to have to be patient. I think it could be another 2 or 3 months before they announce any sort of merger. But I do think they'll find something. I think that the people who work at Virgin Group are really good at identifying business opportunities, and they're probably a lot more forward-thinking than a lot of other SPACs out there. And frankly, I think, I don't think it's obvious there's a SPAC bubble because there's so many of them out there, but I do think that there are some companies that are better suited to find merger targets than others. And I think one of the best groups out there, one of the best business groups out there, is going to be a company like Virgin Group, because they not just acquire businesses, but they create them and they make sure that they're profitable. So definitely keep your eye on VG Acquisition Corp. Again, trades on the NYSE under the symbol VGAC. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.